Hey Gorgies, welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with one of the most requested videos. I really hope you guys will enjoy it. I had people like all over Instagram, Facebook and everything on WhatsApp actually texting me and asking me to share the details about the hair look that I had up on my Instagram. You guys really loved it, so I decided to come through to my channel to give you the goods, honey. Okay. If you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. I promise you, you will love me and the content, okay? And you will love the rest of the Gorgies. Please join them in commenting down below, liking this video, as well as following me on my social media channels. I don't want to waste any time today, so let's get straight into the video and go. Let's get started, guys. As many of you guys saw on my social media channels, the hair was frizzy and up as an afro. I'll put up a picture here or something so that you guys can see what I mean. And that is because I had brushed it out. The hair comes looking like this originally. So it's a very tight curl. It is really soft and it is very like, I don't know, it's so soft and lush, and the curl goes back into a curl again very quickly. It's not like hard to get it to curl again after you brush it out, so that's something you don't need to worry about. I bought the hair from Amazon. It was about 100 dirhams, I think, so that is about 400 rand. I got it on Amazon. I will leave the link for exactly the purchase that I made down in the description box, so be sure to check out the description box to see where I got the hair. I got one packet, so there are 9 clip-ins in this packet, I think. Yeah, it should be 9 or 10. And this is enough to fill up your head, but I do feel like if you want to get a bit more volume, not necessarily volume though, just a bit more coverage, then you should get an extra packet. You'll probably only use half of that, because I do feel like there are sometimes like gaps that I had in my head, and I feel like I wish I had extra hair that was filling in those gaps so that I don't have to be self-conscious about the clips showing. Okay, right now I'm going to play you guys a video of how I got the curls back into their original form. First things first is you want to actually brush out the hair, because we want it to look more like your natural hair texture. So my texture is not as tight a curl, and also if I leave it like this, it will end up being very thin on my hair, and yet what I'm going for is volume. So you take your hairbrush and you just brush through. Do you see how easily the texture just comes through? They didn't unfortunately I got the color natural, and I should have gotten black because my color is actually my hair is quite black, but it doesn't really make too much of a difference. I don't think that it's like, yeah, I don't think it's that bad. You can, however, color the hair into a color that's similar to your natural hair color, and that is how it will look. And this is how we'll be putting it on our head. So I'm just gonna go ahead and brush all of them out. So I don't know if I mentioned that these are clip-ins, guys. So you just clip that onto your hair and you're good to go. There are longer ones, which is the one with the 4 clips, and there are shorter ones with 2 clips, and then also there should be one with There will be some with 3 clips. Then lastly, you'll have your single clips. These ones I use to just fill in wherever there may be some gaps, so I leave them for last. So I'm going to show you 2 different types of hairstyles that you can do with this hair. There's obviously more types of hairstyles that you can do, and I'll keep posting the different hairstyles, but right now for the purpose of this video and the time concern, because I don't want to have like super long videos for you guys, then I will only do 2 hairstyles. What I've done already is I've gone and I've twisted my hair. So my hair is in twists, and all I have to do now is just clip this hair on. I'm taking the first one, which is the 2 clips. Just keep feeling where the last track is and where the next one should go, just so you know you don't have too much space in between. So you want to leave out some hair, so I'm just undoing a bit of my twists so that I can have just a little bit of hair that will be out. So this will be my leave out. Twisting the other hair back in place. Okay, and I'm just going to tuck that in there. So here's my leave out. This is what will be showing from my hair when I'm done. Now I'm gonna go ahead and construct my fringe. Right, so fringe is done. You can go ahead and trim the fringe if you want. I'm not trimming this hair just yet because I use it in different ways every day, so I don't want to risk trimming and then I don't get the ideal setup when I'm done. And then you take your hair, I'm gonna spray some water. Let me move the camera back. Yeah. So I'm spraying some water on my hair. some conditioner. And all I'm gonna do is spread it out. I take my brush, I go further and like tease this hair so that it looks a bit more like my natural texture. And that is the first look, guys. What do you think? I love it. Woo! Giving me Tina Turner vibes. I feel like a diva. Yes, honey. Ooh, highlight. Yes. I see you, boo. So look number 2 involves getting yourself a scarf. Oh my gosh, guys. I literally almost had a heart attack. There was the biggest bug on my scarf because I was hanging it outside. Oh, my heart is racing. Anyway, damn, my heart is really racing. I got the fright of my life. Okay, for the second hairstyle, you need your scarf that has no bugs. You push the hair back. So as you can see, obviously my edges are laid. So if yours aren't laid, you would go in at this time and lay them properly. So you take your scarf after tying your hair up. And you will obviously style it the way that you want. You can undo your hair tie. And that's it, guys. Just push the hair back because now the hair will cover all the other clips. And those are the 2 looks, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below which one you prefer. Would you go for 1 or would you go for 2? I personally prefer 1, but I mean, yeah, I think you guys will also probably like 1 more. There's plenty more hairstyles that you can actually do with this hair, but I think most of them would actually require that you buy a second packet. So I've ordered my second packet, and as soon as it arrives, I will do an updated video where I show you many more variations of hairstyles that you can actually do using this hair, whether you're using it in this form or in its natural state. I will put that up. And yeah, if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and follow me on social media. Thank you so much for your support, guys. I thank you, and I love you, dolls.